This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch 2 with a stretched resolution. Many players find this setting beneficial for competitive play. We will cover the steps to configure your graphics card and adjust in-game settings. By the end, you will understand how to set up stretched resolution and its potential advantages. This can give you a competitive edge, making enemies appear larger and easier to hit. Let's dive into the setup process. First, let's configure your graphics card. NVIDIA users should open the control panel, navigate to change resolution, and create a custom resolution. Input your desired stretched resolution, such as 1440 by 1080 pixels. AMD users will find similar options in Radeon software under Display. Remember to set your scaling mode to full screen or aspect ratio with GPU scaling enabled for proper display. This initial step is crucial for the stretched effect. Now, let's adjust your in-game settings within Overwatch 2. Once the game is open, navigate to the Options menu and then select Video. Here, you should see your newly created custom stretched resolution available in the Resolution dropdown. Choose that resolution. Next, set your aspect ratio to either 4:3 or 16:9, experimenting to find what feels best. Finally, confirm your display mode is set to full screen for the changes to take effect properly. Playing with stretched resolution offers several potential benefits. Many players report that enemy character models appear wider, making them easier to track and hit. This visual advantage can significantly improve your aiming consistency in competitive matches. Additionally, some users observe a slight increase in their overall frame rates, leading to smoother gameplay. Remember to experiment with various stretched resolutions, like 1440 by 1080 or 1720 by 1080, to discover what works best for your playstyle and monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.